How to log in MileStone Credit Card. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. In a preferred browser, head over and search for MileStone Credit Card, or you can directly search for milestonegoldcard.com. Just click on Milestone Credit Card. After which you'll be redirected to the official web page of your Milestone. You can also perform this through your Milestone application if you have installed it in your mobile device. To move forward with the video and to log in into your Milestone credit card, tap on the three horizontal line that is at the top right corner. After this, tap on My Account. In here, you need to enter your username and your password, then tap on the login button to log in into your Milestone credit card. If you are new to Milestone, you can easily register by tapping on Register Your Account, in which you can select if you have your card number or not, then enter your last name, your zip code, DOB, and your social security number, then continue to next step. If you already have an account and if you have forgotten any of the credentials, just click on Forgot Your Username or Password. Then, just enter your username, your date of birth, and your social security number to reset your password in the case of you have forgotten your password. If you have forgotten your username, enter your 16-digit card number, your date of birth, and your social security number. By this way, you'll be able to recover your account in the case of forgotten credential. This sums up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.